Hey, crypto traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like these. First things first, we're going to talk about Zonmbie Inu. We're going to go over the charts with them and explain where we're going and how I kind of called exactly where we're sitting right now. Kind of my target has been hit, so we'll go over that. But really quick, just want to tell you about a project that I'm actually personally involved with, the Vegas Panda Club, right? These are 5,000 Vegas pandas to be minted, okay? They actually have a join whitelist. So if you guys want to get on the whitelist and you kind of figure out how you do it, this is what you do. Just go to the website, vegaspandasclub.com. There's a S in there, right? I'll leave the link down below, but there are all these benefits you get when you buy these, so you could do more research. Also, they have a Twitter page, Vegas Pandas Club, on Twitter, just at Vegas Pandas Club, to follow them. But with that being said, let's jump right into this video of what's going on with Zonmbie Inu right now, right? Okay, so let's take a look at the Ethereum. I kind of drew this to say, hey, go back last couple weeks. It's all, this isn't after the fact, right? It's all verified. I said we have a head and shoulders. Watch out. My ultimate target was around the 4 to 6 range, right? Because if you flip this over, we may have 20. The neckline was 12. Flip that over, the ultimate target is actually 4. But I was saying, hey, watch the 6 level, and then probably down here around the 3 to 4, right, is kind of my ultimate target. And look at where price made a low. If we zoom in, price made a low at 45. Right? So everything has worked out perfectly based on the technical analysis. Now, let's kind of do some new draws, right, for you guys, so you guys can kind of understand what's going on. Now, on the Ethereum side, okay, this was a falling wedge, and normally these are bullish, but guess what? Just because the whole crypto market is kind of selling off, we're in a crypto winter right now. It broke to the downside, right? So we have to redraw our line to what it is at this moment, and we actually have a very clean channel now from that we're just bouncing off. So we may see a little move back up to the 8, and then maybe one more push lower, I'm thinking, which would take us probably down to that ultimate 3 target. Now, I am buying more. I've been buying more of this on the way down. It's one of those things, yes, it's ugly, it's hard, but as long as you have a plan and you understand what your plan is, it makes trading a lot easier. Now, let's take a look at the Zonmbie Inu with the BNB, right? Whole different kind of looking chart where we have the nice kind of a channel, right? And if we just connect here, here, and here, look at this. And same thing with the Binance side. I've said watch for this 40, probably 4 level, and then even down to the 3 level. We're right there, right as we speak. That's why I wanted to kind of make this video. Now, are we going lower? Look at how oversold we are. I think we could see a potential bounce. Just feels oversold right now, but am I gonna wait until down here? No, I'm buying some, right? I said I bought some here this morning, just right before I recorded this. Bought some right around the 48 level, I think it was, and I'll probably look to keep buying all the way down. I mean, dude, if we could take off a 0, right, and start coming down here, or sorry, coming down to this 1. Oh, I would love that, right? Because you could literally get 100 billion tokens for $1,000, right? Where when we were up here at 20, you it would have been like 20 grand, right? So if we actually get a rip your face off rally, there's a lot of money to be made in this. Just from 1 to 10 is a 10x. Right. So just kind of keep that in mind. I'm just scaling in as we keep going lower. With this, I'm trying to be very methodical and be very kind of disciplined with it. Now, there is a discrepancy going on with the Zonmbie right now from the Binance to the Ethereum. Now, on the Ethereum side, we're at 59, almost 60, while the Zonmbie Inu is on the Binance side is 49. I'm buying more with the Binance because I could get cheaper prices. And what will eventually happen as we rally, they will both kind of come back together. So if we come all the way back up to 10, the Ethereum side will also be probably up around the 10 or 11, right? So I'm just trying to look for it. And sometimes you'll actually see where Binance will outperform, the Ethereum side. So if something like that happens and we could buy it lower, that gives us a little extra. And especially if you're day trading these things, or not day trading, but swing trading. And that's why I'm buying some. I'm buying some more here because I'm trying to swing trade these. I have my long-term bag. I'm adding to that with this, but I'm also looking for swing trades on this because if I can trade in and out of this, it pays for the other, and then I have infinite returns on the bigger picture. So that's kind of what's going on with the price charts of this. Don't be afraid. I know it's painful to look at your losses, things like that. When you were up here, you were on top of the world. You're down here now, and you're like, oh my God, this thing's going to zero. Listen, from everything I'm seeing, it's a real company. Everybody in crypto is selling off right now. So just kind of be aware that don't look at this as a fear thing, but look at this as an opportunity, because I hope I can make a video in the next week or 2 weeks and we're maybe up at 12 and I go, look, if you bought here at 5, you just made 140% on your money, right? So just think in those terms that hey, if it takes a while, if it keeps going, just keep buying, just have levels of how much you're willing to add to each one, right? So maybe here you go, hey, I'll add $100 here. If it keeps going, I'll add 200. If it keeps going, I'll add 500, things like that. And then on the bounces, just start scaling out and sell 500, 200, 100, or just leave them for the longer term. So hopefully this video helps. Just want to give you guys a quick price analysis on it. So our target has been hit from that head and shoulders. And with that being said, I'll talk to you soon.